I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We just became a Forest River RPOD dealer, and this is our very first RPOD for General RV. This is a 2021 Forest River RPOD Model 192. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about the RPOD and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you the true unbiased review about everything when it comes to travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. And again today, I am super excited that we just became a Forest River RPOD dealer, and I'm excited to show you our very first one. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey, you're not Will.
Hey everyone.
You're Bruce, my boss.
Good to see everybody.
Yep.
So came down here exclusively to see Matt and to introduce to everybody our new introduction to the General RV Manufacturing Partnership, RPOD from Forest River.
Awesome. What stores are we going to be selling these at, Bruce?
This product will be available and currently is available at our Jacksonville, Florida, our Ocala, Florida, and our Richmond, Virginia stores.
Nice. Well, we appreciate you coming down to Florida just to show everybody this brand new product. Bruce, let's begin. Right up front. Model is 192, but the actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 22 feet 2 inches. The dry weight is 3,618 pounds. And Bruce, the hitch weight?
460.
Always remember, guys, you want to get weight distribution bars. Doesn't matter how heavy the travel trailer is. Right up here, we do have a nice power tongue jack. I love that, especially on a small, lightweight travel trailer like this. A lot of times the manufacturers are trying to keep the price point down. Right here, here's where you put one 20-pound propane tank. You can upgrade it to a 30-pound. And then right there is a place for your batteries. Now, they started doing this in 2019. They started putting this windshield up here. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and I love how much natural light that allows in the travel trailer. Fiberglass sides right here, and a diamond plate rock guard right there. Coming down the side, we do have a storage compartment right there, held up by a magnet. Manual stabilizing jacks right there. New for 2021 is the honeycomb look. You guys know I love that. And then RPOD with the iconic frog, eating some honeybees with the honeycomb. I like that. Coming down the side, we have a nice power awning with LED lights. There's steps right here. And because this is an RPOD, they use the Asdale sidewall composite, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. And something that's very unique is this door. I've never seen a door like this. I kind of like how the way it looks. And there is a window just in this part of the door right there. Look at these tires, Bruce. These are the Castle Rocks. I love these. ST225-75 R15. Very nice. Single axle. Really nice lightweight travel trailer.
I like that. That fender skirt. Is that steel or is that a fiberglass? That's steel.
It sure is. That's hard as a rock too. Right here, this is a place for you to hook up an outdoor cooktop. You can put a propane grill here with a little side table. And then right there, we do have power plug right there. Also speakers on the outside. Right here's the spray port. And then this is very unique for a small teardrop category travel trailer. Is an actual black tank flush. Very nice. Coming around the back, we have a nice bumper for your stinky slinky. Spare tire carrier. Right here's your water heater. We do have prep for a Furrion backup camera. Also, we have a one-piece PVC roof, okay? So in some of the RPODs, the ones that look more dome shaped, it's a one-piece fiberglass. In this model, it is a one-piece PVC roof. Bruce, let's go up there and take a look. Here we go now. All right, up here on the roof, you can see it's a nice one-piece PVC roof. We have one air conditioning unit, 30-amp travel trailer. Right there's your digital antenna. You can see a place for a fan right there. And then right there, you can see that it is already prepped for solar. Here we go now. Great. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. What RV salesman's gonna get his boss to hold the camera while he climbs up on the roof to show you what features the roof has to offer?
Only me.
No, nobody.
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 Nice. Finishing up. Right there we have our black and gray tank dump station right there. I really like that, how it's easy to get to. Your 30 amp power cord right here, cable and satellite. And then also, you'll notice on the inside, this travel trailer has no slides, so it sits this way at all times, which is great for easeability. Finishing up, here's where you fill up our potable water. Potable. Here's our city water connection. And here's the other side of the storage right there. Well, Bruce, the outside of this travel trailer looks great, but it's the inside that looks even better. Let's go take a look. Just show the inside real quick, walk to the bathroom, and then come back up front. Cool. All right, we'll start right over here, Bruce. We have a nice Murphy bed sofa area. This is super comfortable and nice. We have some storage all around on this side here.
That's lighted.
Yes.
I didn't even realize it.
We got USB and power right there, and a little bit more storage right there. Very nice. Same on that side with the power and USB. This sofa does jackknife down, but before it does, I like the sofa placement to where the TV is, which is across right there. But to jackknife this down, all you do is lift up like that, put the spring down like that. Very nice. Look how big that bed is. And then when the bed's down, you do have that nice windshield right there. And thank you. You can see we even have some cubbies back there for you to put books or cell phone or something when you're all parked up. And this is actually a really great size bed, especially for how small this travel trailer is. Over here, the dinette. You have a nice single dinette. This does drop down, you can make a bed. Again, the TV's right there. And we do have storage above the dinette right here and here. And then this is going to be your sound system for your television. Well, Bruce, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this travel trailer here is $27,186 MSRP. Sale price, as you can see right now, we don't have a sale price because it's a 2021 model year, but Bruce and I, we made a promise to each other. Because we just became a RPOD dealer, we want to sell as many of these as possible. So here's what you do. All you got to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com, go down to the contact form. If you're ready to buy an RPOD, click that first box. It will take you to General RV, and somebody from my team will get you the absolute best price in America. If you have questions about the RPOD and you want to compare it against some of its competition, not a problem. Click that second box and somebody from my team will get back, or I'll get back to you, and I'll be able to answer all those questions. Or if you just have generalized fan questions, click that third box. But Bruce, it doesn't matter if they click box 3, 2, or 1. The one thing that it always has in common is
they get you
the best price in America. Bruce, let's continue the video.
You want to redo it?
Nope, we keep it rolling, baby. All right, show the kitchen.
All right, so a great kitchen, this little RPOD. Nice thing here, most small RVs don't have a lot of workspace. So with a suburban cooktop, you have your glass top. You also have a 2-burner range.
Yep.
So it gives you that flexibility of still being able to have a range, have the workspace, even though this is a smaller unit. Really nice size, single sink.
With faucet.
Metal faucet. Place to prepare your vegetables, clean them off, cook them. Overhead cabinets. 4-inch grab handles on all your cabinet doors. Really, really, again, good storage. have a different surface on the back, so it almost gives you that translucent, more open feeling in your cabinet so you can see stuff. It's not a dark, dingy storage area. Microwave is placed down below, real simple to get to. It keeps that weight distribution as you're traveling. Really low center of gravity. Again, it continues that whole philosophy of ease of towing. Okay, underneath the sink, you do have some more storage. A lot of depth there. It's all finished off on the back side. You don't see any exposed wires, any exposed plumbing lines. Again, nice big grab handles, easy positive catch latches for closure. These are not going to come open while you're traveling. Most travel trailers don't have a double door fridge. This one has really nice double door fridge, freezer combination, climate control. This is gas electric, so if you are into doing rustic camping, this Dometic refrigerator will absolutely work for your convenience. Little pantry here next to it. Okay, multiple shelves, really nice depth. You can see how much storage you can put in there. One thing that we missed on the outside is you do have a folding table.
Yep.
That hooks right onto the outside with your range. The range does come with this for the outside cooking.
Awesome. And then to wrap it all up in the kitchen area, something that I haven't seen much on a single axle travel trailer is the centralized vacuum. Very cool. With the kick plate. Super awesome. All right, let's trade places. All right, finishing up in the bathroom area. When we come back here, first we do have a ton of storage. Above me, we do have a MaxxAir fan. Very nice. And then this shower is absolutely huge. This is a 24 by 36 with this curtain to close it. Again, for house 22 feet 2 inches tips to absolute tip, this is a phenomenal bathroom, big and spacious shower. Right here's our sink, and right there we have a little bit of storage under the sink. And then Bruce, it's now time for the toilet test. Plastic. Whap, whap. I'm not even upset that it's plastic. Again, these single axle travel trailers, they're trying to keep the weight as low as possible, but it does not get the prime pooping position. But to wrap it all up, I do like this pocket door right here to close off the bathroom. Well, Bruce, that's it. That's the review. That's the new RPOD that we just became a dealership for. But Bruce, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give them 3 things we love about the RPOD and 3 things we dislike about it. Bruce, what do we do first?
Things you don't like.
Okay, I'm gonna do the 3 things we don't like because I'm the salesman, and Bruce will do 3 things we like about it. So, very first, the first thing I'm not a huge fan of with this particular floor plan's the dinette. This really limits it to 1 person and 1 person. You can't seat 4 people around it. And the way that we go camping, we would go camping with 4 people. So this travel trailer is really just for 2 people. So that's 1. 2, Bruce touched on it, and it's, you know, this topper and this topper is great because my second dislike is there is no countertop space. I do like how they make the glass covers on it, so you can compromise, but with the lack of countertop space, I'm just not a fan of it. I almost wish that they put a little flip-up countertop extender here just to make it a little bit of a bigger countertop space. And then number 3 is going to be these steps here. Again, I understand why they did it. It is a lower profile travel trailer, and they're trying to keep the weight down, but I kind of made myself a promise. Any towable unit that doesn't have those solid fold-up steps, and they have these, I'm a bigger guy, and so I definitely feel these steps when I step on it. It's not like having the ground support, but it doesn't matter because you can always get those solid steps on any travel trailer. Great, so that's 3 things we don't like about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this travel trailer. Bruce?
All right,
tell us what you love.
Some of the things that I really like that I see in this trailer, even though this is a condensed travelable unit, I really like the idea that they thought about the pets that come with you.
Oh.
So you've got some dog dishes down here, a water, a feed dish. You can slide them right in here. Otherwise, underneath here, you can use that as shoe storage.
I didn't even notice the storage under here as well.
Yeah, cool storage in this thing everywhere. Even though it's small, there's ample storage throughout the trailer.
Yes.
Number 2, this is wired for solar.
Yes.
So the wire is already on top, so those people that do want to do, those of you that want to do rustic camping, you do have the ability to add solar collection, solar panels on the roof.
Yep.
Third thing, you look at the bathroom. A lot of times in a smaller RV, there's not a lot of space in a bathroom area. The really cool thing is you've got plenty of room as you step out of the shower, as you use this as your dressing area.
Yep.
Another thing to really focus on in here, notice they add a shower skylight, a full-size window that can open, and a large 14-inch vent on your fan. Most RVs, you get a little 6-inch bladed fan.
Yep.
A lot of exhaust can come out of here. You can get the moisture out of your bathroom so you don't have that condensation build up. So I really, really, really like this bathroom.
Awesome. And I'm gonna add one more thing just because we can do that. I love the big oversized fridge. As Bruce said when he was showing the kitchen, in a single axle travel trailer, you never get this. You'll always get the 6 or 8 cubic foot fridges. I absolutely love the big freezer fridge. Well, that's it. That's the review. Bruce, I want to thank you so much for coming on the show and coming down from Michigan. I'm sure it's horrible to get to Florida this time of year.
It's just awful.
Yep, but we appreciate you doing your due diligence, coming here and being in the video. If you guys have any questions about this RPOD, please call me, text me, send me an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell phone, or better, just go to MattsRVReviews.com and click one of the 3 tabs. Again, if you're ready to buy this, click that first tab. It takes you to General RV, and we will get you the absolute best price in America on this unit. Bruce, do you have anything you want to say?
Thanks, Matt, for all you do. Come take a look at our new RPOD. We're really, really excited about offering this to our customers. I think you'll see some real advantages to why we added this to our arsenal of inventory that we offer you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys leave down in the comments below. Let us know 3 things you like about the RPOD and 3 things you don't like about it. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and Bruce, we're going to say we'll see you next time. And Bruce, we'll see you
next time.
Next time.
Can I do it again?
Nope. I like it.